How to use Windows 7. To use Windows 7, you will need a computer with the operating system installed. Once you have a computer with Windows 7, you can start using it by following these steps. Turn on your computer. On the desktop, you will see icons for various programs and features. You can double-click on an icon to open a program or feature. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access the desktop. To open the Start menu, click the Start button in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the Start menu, you can access all of the programs and features on your computer, as well as search for files and programs. To open a folder, double-click on its icon on the desktop or in the Start menu. To close a program, click the X button in the top right corner of the program window. To shut down your computer, click the Start button, then click the arrow next to the Shutdown button and select Shutdown from the menu.